Team R4UL, we are back again. Let's go, guys. It's your boy Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again, and what I'm doing this time around is I've got a Vauxhall Astra on a 2016-17, not the latest one, but later-ish one. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and replace the brake light bulb. I've already done it on the passenger side one. Passenger side, dead easy. UK passenger side, dead easy. We're going to do it on the driver side one. The driver side one, rear brake light, obviously, slightly more tricky. So I thought I'll demonstrate on the driver side one. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, so there is the brake light cluster and everything. We're going to go into the boot, take this cover off. Okay, and as you can see here on the passenger side one, I'll just show you guys while I'm at it. You've got nothing in your way, okay? Nothing in your way. You can get your hands in there, no problem whatsoever. On the driver side one, you've got all this in the way, right? So what we need to do is take this off. Okay, pull that out from there. Okay. And then we're going to go in there, and as you can see there, that little plastic screw, we're just going to turn that counterclockwise, anti-clockwise, take that off. Okay, that comes off. Then we'll go to this side here and just give it a little pull, and that should come straight off. It will be, if it's the first time you're ever taking it off, then as you can see there, that little locator, it might be stuck onto that, so just be patient, give it a pull, it should come off. Right, we're going to take the wiring plug off. In order to take the wiring plug off, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. This little red clip here, pull that back, then we press down and then pull, and there we go, that wiring plug comes off. Right, the next step. Okay guys, so I don't know if I've done this video before in the past. If I've done it in the past, go check that video out and give me a like, thumbs up and everything. You know the sketch, you know the drill. Right, in order to take, we're going to do it again anyway. So in order to take this backing off, all you do is got little clips here, right, which you need two hands basically. One hand to hold the light, the other hand just to flick these little clips. That one, another one here, another one here, and basically that backing should come out, and then you can gain access to the bulb. Right, let's do it. Okay, so once you've flicked them little clips, it might break. If it breaks, don't worry about it, it's all good, right? But mine hasn't broken, so as you can see there, so all you do is just pull that out from there, and there we have it. There's the culprit. If you want, while you're at it, might as well change the indicator as well, but it's not in for that. So we just can change the bulb, the brake light and the side light, which is that. So all we do is push down and then turn counterclockwise, bulb comes straight off. Let's replace it with a new one. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see there, I've got the bulb on there, and eagle-eyed viewers out there, you're going to say, oh, how come you've got an amber bulb on there? Right, these Vauxhalls, you can put red bulbs on there as well, okay, yeah, I don't know why, you can put red ones on. This one, I haven't got a clear bulb, so the amber indicator bulbs, exactly the same, but make sure, I'm going to show you. See these two pins here, this one and this one, right, as you can see there, they're facing each other, okay, and they're not offset or anything, they're facing exactly each other, as you can see there, okay, and they're not offset. Don't put the offset indicator bulbs on, okay, it'll be wrong. So as you can see here, this one here, that was the original bulb, this one, exactly same bulb, and I think it'll look better actually, it'll be more brighter, okay, and it'll look better, okay. So yeah, we've just modified it, put it that way, upgraded it. Raul TV upgraded it, keeping it real with you guys. Right, let's put this back on, let's go. Okay guys, so that's it. That is how we replace the rear brake light bulb on a Vauxhall Astra 2016-17. I'm at home, I forgot to do the outro, so yeah, I got busy in the garage and everything. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time. Okay, I'm still dirty, still, yeah, need to go for a shower. Let's go.